Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll talk about the bidding strategies which you can apply on a LinkedIn ads platform. So bidding is the system which is applied on the LinkedIn ads platform, which basically helps to go ahead and make your ads compete with each other in an auction, in the LinkedIn ads auction, and based on which then the particular ads, the winning ads are shown on the LinkedIn network. So this bidding strategy really helps to optimize your ads for specific objectives. There are different types of bidding strategies which LinkedIn ads offers. So let's have a look at that. So the first one is going to be maximum delivery. Maximum delivery is an automated bidding strategy which primarily focuses on delivering the maximum optimization goal which you are setting it up for. So your optimization goals can be website conversions, it can be landing page clicks, it can be impressions. So based on what is your optimization goal, the maximum delivery will work towards that and try to deliver as much as it can. So in this an automated bidding strategy, the LinkedIn ads algorithm optimizes the bids, increases or decreases the bids in the live auction and try to achieve the goal. So let's have a look at this, how you can set this up on the platform. So once you are on the platform and you're creating a campaign, you can come to the bidding section right here where you get to set the bidding strategy. As you can see, the first option itself is maximum delivery. Get the most results possible within your full budget. So this is what all you have to do is to select this option and then you can build your campaign based on this. So this is going to be the first option which you get. In addition to this, another bidding strategy which you get here is cost cap. Cost cap is primarily another automated bidding strategy where we are putting a cap on the average cost or average money you want to spend on generating every sale or lead or a conversion. So now with this, what we are trying to do is we are trying to limit our spend. We are trying to generate our sales at a reasonable cost. And that is why it is called a cost cap. We're giving a cap or we are putting a limitation on the cost or the money which we want to spend on an average on every sale or a lead. So this also you can set up over here. And once you set this up, the bidding strategy will focus on looking at how it can generate conversions at a reasonable cost, which you have set up. So for this as well, you can go to the campaign settings and here you get the cost cap option and you can set up your cost cap as per your requirement. As you can see in this campaign, we are optimizing for landing page clicks. And now we are putting a cost cap per landing page click. So this is what we want to set it up over here for. The third one, which bidding strategy, which we can use here is going to be manual bidding. Manual bidding, as you can understand, you can bid manually over here. You can set a bid which an amount of money which you're willing to pay for every click or engagement clicks or views, video views, all of that you can set it up over here. So you choose your optimization goal first, and then you can choose manual bidding. Now, manual bidding gives you complete control on over your bid. You can set the bid what you want to pay, and LinkedIn will have no control on it. It cannot change it. There is a set bid which has been put across by you, and that is what you pay for everything. So that's also an option which you get over here on the LinkedIn ads platform. So if you see here, we can go to show additional options, and that is when you can get manual bidding. Okay, so you can choose manual bidding and you can set your bid what you want to pay per click. So if you see, these are the three major bidding strategies which LinkedIn offers us to use across all our campaigns. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how bidding strategies are going to work on this platform. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to this, and I will see you in the next week.